Come check this out. I think this will be the change we need.
At Linder Power Systems, we have been building awesome shit right here in Washington State in the Pacific Northwest in the good old US of A for a very long time. It has not been easy, and with enemies both foreign and domestic, it has been very hard for a lot of businesses in this economy. Well, we have decided that it is America first for us from now on, and it is time for us to draw our line in the sand by supporting American muscle. We are going to be supporting the LS and LT markets, starting with the most badass billet LS valve covers the world has ever seen. With Old Glory machined right into the billet, breather ports that actually make sense, O-ring sealing, and custom titanium hardware, these We the People valve covers make a statement. And with an oil baffle that commemorates our country's founding principles, you will know that you are supporting us here at LPS, you are supporting American manufacturing, and you are rocking support for our beloved America. We thank you so much for your patronage here at LPS. Get yours today at lpsfab.com. Dang, man, those look pretty skibbity toilet.
No cap. We should do more of this cool LS and LT stuff.
Oh, we're gonna. Probably good.
Sure.